What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. As you see right here, we have the handy dandy standard box cutter, man, because we have an unboxing today, and I want to show y'all what I copped recently. Well, y'all should already know what I copped. Y'all been tuning into the videos, but we're gonna unbox these things right now. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video, man. So let's get into this unboxing. Let's get it. As you see right here, man, we have an unboxing or a package from Finish Line, man. Straight from Finish Line. They finally sent your boy some exclusive kicks, you feel me? So let me stop playing with y'all. This unboxing is from my boy HeGotKickz, man. I sent him the bread for the kicks. Like I said, y'all been watching the videos, you know what they are already, but he did get them from Finish Line, 100% authentic. So shout out to my man HeGotKickz. You know I had to get my subscribers with a little clickbait, man. So let's get into it. Open it up, and you can already see right here what we got, man. You can already see what we got in there. Look at that. Yeah, you already know what it is, man. Finally got them. Finally got them kicks, man. Here you go, man. As you see, same box as the Air Jordan 11 low Jeters. I think the Air Jordan 6 promo flight jacket, the green ones, also came in a box just like this. And yeah, I just like how Jordan Brand do something different with the boxes and stuff like that. So I appreciate this Jordan Brand, but with this shoe right here, I heard it was a lot of factory flaws, man. I heard it was a lot of factory flaws, but like I said in numerous videos, man, we're gonna get that with Jordan Brand. We're not gonna get that 100% quality, like quality control, like a PE or something like that. This is like one of those mass-produced shoes, so you're gonna get those imperfections with your kicks. So let's check them out, man. Check them out. Got that paper right there. Peel this over right here, and right. Yeah, you have it, man. Air Jordan 12 Michigan things, man. Finally got them in the collection. Whew. And my boy Sniper Jones said he want to film the quality, but let me go ahead and spin these things around for y'all so we can see how the quality actually looks. And oh my God, like my pair is good, man. My pair is actually butter. Go ahead and check these joints out right there. My pair is actually butter, bruh. Straight butter. Oh, okay, I see a couple of imperfections right here on the eyelets right there. You can see the blue is, I guess, bleeding onto the paint right there. But man, you gonna, like I said, it's not that big of a deal to me. Michigan sign kind of getting, it's a little faded, but like the quality around the shoe, like the suede and stuff and the glue stains, you don't really see that on my pair. Just a little bit of blue bleeding onto the eyelets and on that Michigan sign right there. That infamous Michigan sign, bruh. Might make me a Michigan fan now, so you stop playing. As y'all see by the hat, got that Cleveland still. I'm still a Cavs fan. I've been a Cavs fan since I started watching basketball, or since LeBron started playing basketball. That's when I was old enough to recognize basketball. And his move today really kind of caught me off guard, but I'm gonna talk on the podcast, so y'all go check me out over there. Make sure you subscribe, put the name right here, and I'll put the link in the description box below if y'all wanna check out what I gotta say about that trade. But back to these kicks, like I said, not a lot of factory flaws. I love my pair. Got that yellow insole, and I might as well hit y'all with a dope on feet, especially because I can't do a review because we won't get no play. So we're gonna do it on feet for y'all. But let me know how y'all feel about these. Let me know in the comment section below if you copped. I'm very interested to know. I know a lot of people were selling their pairs for retail, bro, and I got mine for resale, so hey, I can't complain. If you're a reseller and you ain't get your money back or you didn't make no profit, hey, you gotta get another shoe that you can hit on, you know what I'm saying? That can make some profit, you feel me? But here you go. I'm gonna hit y'all with a dope on feet. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Like I said, follow me on my NBA Podcast channel so y'all can check out what I gotta say about the trade, or not the trade, the new signing of LeBron to the Lakers. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you ring the notification bell. We're gonna get right to that on feet, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.